This is the first time that I've ever put mustard on the underneath side. I just wanted to give that a try one time. I don't know why the hell I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. All right, so it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Had a good fire in there, let it come down. Now we're maintaining just above 250, which is good. Oh, it's gonna be a lovely 6-7 hours. Got some friends coming over later this evening. We're gonna eat ribs. We're gonna have a fire out back, just hang out, have a good time. So I'm planning on smoking these for at least 6-7 hours. Then I'll cut them up and finish them in the oven with some salt, with my sauce on it, for another couple hours. Should be good. Three hours in, and I've had to add charcoal and wood to it twice, but it's going good. I'm maintaining good temperature, not having big temperature swings, which is a good thing. Happy last day. Thursday was my last day at my job. I start a new job here in a couple days on Monday. Very excited, man. Very excited. So I got the ribs going. We got some collard greens cooking down. Oh yeah. Collard greens cooking. We're gonna have potatoes baked in the oven. There's Meemaw. It's Mother's Day's tomorrow. Happy Mother's Day, Meemaw.
Thank you.
Meemaw's about to go to a funeral service. Oh boy. What we got going on out here? Hey, what's this thing called, Bryce?
Shark slide?
It's the shark slide!
I'm riding down the water.
What? There ain't no water on it. Are you nuts?
Wait, what is here?
Oh! Bam, son. Haha, Mama's getting wet. Happy Mother's Day. Mama's getting wet. Bryce, you got something on your head.
Yeah, grass.
Look at you, little crazy.
All right, thanks, bro.
Oh, I'm getting wet. Camping Gear Central. Got so much camping. So much camping gear. Up there too. Got the fire pit ready for tonight. All I gotta do is bring some wood down here. It's fire prep. Oh yeah. It's nice to be able to walk away from the grill. Just not have to look at it constantly. You know? Hey honey, will you charge my phone for me? Good luck with the cord. Gotta use wireless. Charger port on my phones. Fuck. So I got a wireless charger. I think we're about 5 hours in, four and a half, something like that. I just reloaded with some more charcoal. Lost a lot of temperature, man. So I'm just trying to establish these coals, let all that white smoke kind of dissipate, and then I'll close the box up. Got the side open completely. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. I wonder if I should flip them. You want to film me while I flip? Flip, flip, flip. Lost a lot of heat, mama. Reloaded though. See how the part closest to the fire is getting more dark?
Mm-hmm.
Which I don't think it really matters.
Don't drop it.
I ain't gonna drop this. I'm gonna drop it in my belly. They feel stiff, but that don't mean nothing. That side's just as dark. Man, they're getting dark. We're just gonna keep going for a while. Wow. So the homie that I've been working with at the job that I'm leaving, been working with this guy for 4 years almost. I think he started there a couple months after I did, but good dude, man. I went camping with him one time. Got a video on my bushcraft channel, camping with Ronnie up at his mom's house in the mountains. We had a good time. Go check that out. I'll put that link in the description. But Ronnie and his wife's coming over, and he won't be here till this evening, sometime after 5 probably. Ribs will be almost done by then. Probably will put them in the oven, but I'm just gonna keep smoking them for a while. But we're gonna eat. We're gonna have some oven baked, like oven glow potatoes. That's what we called them in the military. Collard greens, ribs. I got some beers. I got some whiskey. It's gonna be a good night. We'll have a fire out back. Get that fire pit rocking and rolling. Oh yeah, baby. Starting to get a little rain, buddy.
Yep. Just drips on the car. Yep. It's raining.
I don't think it's gonna rain a whole lot. I mean, if it starts pouring, I'm gonna move it up here. Should I move it?
You should. Now if you, I should.
Huh?
Now if you, I'll move it.
If you were me, you would?
Yeah, already. Now it's going to pour. I'm gonna get out of the porch.
Me and Bryce hanging out here just smoking some ribs, man. All right, it's going on 5 o'clock and we are almost 8 hours in. They look good. So we're gonna take them off. Take them inside, let them rest for a little bit. All right, so I got them in the dish here. This right here is Scott's, which is that bottle. But there was only a little bit of Scott's left in it, and I added some KC Masterpiece Original, shook it up. So this is what I'm gonna put. This is Scott's mixed with the KC Masterpiece. I'm just gonna drizzle some sauce all over these. I don't want them swimming in sauce. I don't want them to dry out. So we're gonna put the lid on. Ronnie and Andrew and me out here. Take a look at these ribs right here.
We're going to get round 2. Like ribs.
Man, they good. They real good. Coming off the bone, man. Coming off the bone.